Alright, welcome to a lesson on the distributive property. Now the distributive property is a form of multiplication that we're going to work with, and I know I said on an earlier video this is probably going to be my shortest video I've done. This is probably actually going to be the shortest video I've ever done because again this is another review lesson. It's kind of quick, to the point, and hopefully this topic isn't too confusing for you. If it is, you can always ask questions. So, the distributive property. So we have a bunch of variables here. We have a, and we're multiplying it times x times y. Now, you use the distributive property whenever you're trying to do the order of operations and you cannot add or subtract the two things or three things or four things, however many terms you have inside your parentheses. So you can't combine x's and y's. But we still have to simplify this. So what we do is this. We are going to multiply this outside term times both of the inside terms. So when I rewrite this, it's going to be a times x, my plus sign, a times y. And then if these were actual numbers, we would multiply them together and get our new two terms, which would be whatever ax is and whatever ay is. So let's do a couple examples with numbers. So on the left I have 2 times 3x plus 1. Now you cannot add a 3x and a 1, so we have to distribute. So I'm going to distribute the 2 to the 3x and the 2 to the 1. So we get 2 times 3x plus 2 times 1. 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 1 is a positive 2. And there we go, it's simplified. On the right we have 3x times 4x minus 3. We can't do that together, so again we distribute. So we do 3x times 4x, and then we do the minus sign drops, 3x times 3. 3 times 4, that gives us 12. X times x, as you learn from exponents, that's x squared. Negative 3 times positive 3 is a negative 9, and then the x just follows down. There we go. Alright, so here I have two problems that I want you to try on your own, so I want you to go ahead and pause the video, work these out now. Okay, and here are the solutions to those problems. So go ahead, pause the video again, check your answers with mine. If you have questions, ask me or ask somebody around you. After that, the video is done.